Hello guys, my name is Andien Jesica Pratiwi. My student ID is 192502441. I create this video as part of my midterm examination project. In this video, I will talk about computer and inside of the computer. Computer is an electronic machine that processes data into useful information. It was like PC, or we can call personal computer and laptop. And in a daily life, you will using electronic machine for work, study, entertainment, playing games, and more. We have three components in the computer. First is a hardware, second is software, and the last one is brainware. First is the hardware. Hardware is physical part of a computer that you can see and touch. Example is like CPU, or you can call processor, and hardware, hard disk, mouse, keyboard, and more. Hardware works together with software. Next is a software. Software is a set of instruction or program that tell computer what to do. Software is not physical, so you cannot touch it, but you can use it. The example is like Microsoft Word, WhatsApp, web browser, and more. The last one is a brainware. Brainware is a people who using and processing a computer, and we can call it user. Example is student using laptop, teacher, programming, graphic designer, office worker, and anyone that using or interact with a computer. Computer have so many functions. Computer can process and store data or information. Computer can make tasks easier, and computer can support creativity and productivity. A computer works through 4 steps. First, input. You can input your data or information. Second is process. The data or information you input will be processing by CPU. And third is the output. You can see the output on screen like monitor, or you can print by printer. And the last one is a storage. You can save data or information you have on SSD or hard disk and more. So, computer is a technology that helps human for working faster and more efficiently. Understanding the basic of computer is essential for learning advanced technology. Computer can make daily activities easier and more productive. Next, we will talk about inside of the computer. Computer is an electronic machine made up of several main components. If we understanding this part, it will help us to know how computer actually works. Inside of a computer, there have two parts. There is a hardware and software. There have 7 important components. First is a motherboard. The main is connecting all components. Every component inside of computer need this part for connect with another component. Next is the CPU, or we can call processor. This part will act like brain for execute instruction. Next is RAM. This is temporary storage for active data. And next is the storage. It was like SSD and hard disk. This component will act like storage for save the data. Next is power supply unit. Without it, computer cannot work. Provided electrically to all parts. Next is cooling system. This is for prevent overheating. And the last one is expansion card. It was like GPU, sound card, and more. This component can add extra features like graphic or audio. Next is a software. Software is a collection of program, data, and instruction that enable a computer to perform tasks. Unlike hardware, software is intangible, so you cannot touch it physically. Software enable communication between user and the hardware and allows customization and expansion of computer capabilities. Software have three types. First is system software. This will control and manage hardware source. The example is operation system like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and utility program. Second is application software. This will help user perform specific tasks. Example is web browser, Photoshop, Figma, and more. And the last one is programming software. This is a tools for developers to create new software. The example is compiler, code editors, debuggers, and more. How components work together? Hardware works together with software. First, motherboard will connect everything into one system. Next is CPU, or we can call the brain of a computer. There will process instruction from software. And then we have RAM. This component will hold temporary data for quick access. And then we have storage. This will supply permanent data. And then we have PSU and cooling. This part will keep the computer running safely. So, computer is made up of hardware as physical body and software as the brain. Hardware and software form a complete system. Hardware as a machine that executes, and software the intelligence that guides. Understanding both sides help us use computer more efficiently, maintain and upgrade them wisely, and choose the right tool for study, works, and creativity. Thank you for watching and see you!